So we decided to come to Waycross, Georgia last night on our way up to wherever we're going. So I plan on buying a car up here, and I found a 300ZX up in Williamston, South Carolina for dirt cheap. Ready to pick it up. We haven't done anything today except sleep and wait for the storm to hit. I have found a few cars that I might go try to buy tomorrow. I found a 300ZX and a 5-speed convertible 240 that's been crashed. It's up near Atlanta, and the 300ZX is somewhere in North Carolina, but hopefully I could have it back in South Georgia when the storm hits so we could do some hooning. You're ugly. The calm before the storm.